Hello everybody, this is a Herald 7, a French typewriter from around 1908. This Herald 7 is the French version of the American Model 7, a typewriter manufactured in Connecticut, in USA. It's a very simple typewriter without tabulator, margin bypass and with only black ribbon. In 10 years they claimed to have sold 60,000 of these. Model 7 is a typewriter with upward striking typing mechanism. It means the type bar hits the roller from the bottom. The mechanism is simple, but you cannot see what you write. It's a so-called blind writing typewriter. You can check what you write only if you raise the carriage of the typewriter. The American Typewriter Company was famous for having multiple different name variants. Their typewriters were used by other resellers to sell these typewriters under their brand name. A not complete list of this brand who used American typewriters was Mercantile, Herald, Armstrong, Europa, the Willard P. Smith Company, New York, Surety, Congress, Eagle, Elgin, Fleet, Favorite. Could be a primacy in the history of rebranding. The Herald was the French version of this typewriter. You see this French advertisement, Dernière création américaine, last American creation. I studied French at school. The layout is French. There is a French typing character C, so you can write Ça va? How are you going? There are 3 rows of buttons with 2 shifts. So every button has 3 typing characters and not only 2, like in the modern typewriters and computer keyboards. Usually there is a majuscule, a minuscule and a number of symbols. Also the typing bars have 3 typing characters, you see? With these buttons of shift, you simply move the carriage back and forth. You see? Back and forth. So, since the roller is round, usually the typing bar hits the roller with the middle character, the minuscule. If you press the figure button, the carriage goes back, you see? So it's the top part of the typing character that hits the roller with the number and symbol. If you press the capital button, the carriage moves forward, and it's the typing character on the bottom of the bar that hits the roller. It's a simple mechanism. And this is the blocking mechanism. The caps lock for majuscules and the caps lock for numbers and symbols. Let's open it. If we see the inside, the mechanism is very simple. That's why it's very cheap. From the button to the typing character there is only one bar, a very simple mechanism. Most of the other typewriters of that period had the typing bars made of many pieces. Here there is only a bar and a spring. First, let's see the mechanism of the space bar. You press the space bar and the carriage advances. When you type a button, you use the same mechanism of the space bar to advance the carriage. You see? It's a great idea. Very simple, but also very fragile and prone to jamming. You see here? The typing bars have to stay here. It don't seem very stable, but it was very cheap and also maintenance it's much more simple and cheaper. Of course, they insisted very much about this also in their advertisings. You see in this old advertising, they said that a standard typewriter cost $100. This cost $35, so you can save $65. Also, all the other functions are engineered in a very simple way. This is the interline and the interline selector. This lever is to move freely the carriage. In the back there are the margins. The bell of the margin is installed on the margin directly. I think it's a very simple typewriter with very basic functions. I don't think it's made for heavy work, but could be a good typewriter for home and small office use. It's light and could be portable. I like its simplicity, and despite to the fact that the mechanism of typing is made of a single bar, the touch is not bad. Many thanks for watching the video.